Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Amazon series about mattress and how you call it, box springs. So I got this box spring from Amazon. The mattress that I showed you guys, I bought a box spring. I didn't do that video because I did the mattress. So this one I'm doing a queen size bed box spring, so it's the same thing. That one was just a full and this is just queen size, so it's exactly the same, it's just the sizes are different. So that's why I didn't do that video, because I knew I was going to do it on this one. So today I'm going to show you how to put them together, and yeah, and make up your mind when I tell you this is one of the best box springs I ever purchased. Trust me, it comes with a cover, perfect, everything, but it's basically gonna take you about 15-20 minutes. So you guys, I'm gonna speed up the installation. I will talk when I can here and there, but again, I will let you know exactly basically what you need to know. But again, it's just things you just need to put together. I have the kids here, they will help me here and there. So all right, so let me show you exactly. So as you can see here, this is the box right here that came a couple days ago. So this is the cover that came for you to cover the box spring. You guys, when I tell you this is so nice and perfect, trust me. Yes, can you imagine box spring can be covering all and still look elegant? This is one of them. You guys, when it comes to certain things, I'm a very picky person. It took me a while for me to, do my research and everything before I purchased. So even if this video was sponsored, I was gonna tell you exactly how I feel about it. If my recommendation, what I think about it, but trust me, my son likes his bed and the kids are sleeping. Let me don't go there, okay? But this is the mattress cover. Not the mattress cover, the box spring cover, you guys. How big this is. Okay. Come on, Eddie, come on. All right. So this is how big it is here, you guys. So you will see, once we put this together, you will see, go get the scissors. Okay. Once we put this together, you will see everything. It came with a manual here, you guys. Okay, but like I said, I already put one together, and then this one is very simple to put together. Okay, you guys, so we are done putting all the pieces together and stuff like that. So this is how it's looking. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover it up and we are going to put the cover on top of this now. Okay, you guys, so it does have a bottom. It will tell you the bottom, and then it will tell you the top. Okay, it says top and then bottom. I think I show you the bottom part. Yeah, it will say bottom here. Okay, so it has zipper. So that's the zipper we're going to use. Really? Okay. Stop. Okay, so this is the zipper. We're gonna open the zipper like so. And then we're going to put this on. All right, you guys, so we are done putting this box spring together. Like I said, this is the top and this is the bottom. Where the zipper is facing is the bottom side of it. So let me give you a nice good. So this is it, guys. So this is my Amazon series. I hope you guys enjoy this. Like I said, it's basically 15-20 minutes put together. So as you see, me and the kids are doing it and stuff, but it's very, very nice. It doesn't fall off when you try to take it upstairs or whatever. Once you zip this, that's it. Even if you don't put the cover, it still will not come off. So let me know if you guys need information, but I'm already done, and I will leave everything down below, the name and everything. So I think this was one something I paid, but I'll put it on the screen. Okay, you guys. Yes, so now we're gonna go take it upstairs. I won't show you that part anyway. So all right, thanks for watching. Bye.